Buenos dias, amigos. This is Jimmy from Natural Habitat Adventures. We are visiting today Genovesa Island. This is one of these few islands where we can get to see like hundreds of birds. It's wherever you look, it's frigates and red-throat boobies and swallowtails. And we have tropic birds, and we just did a wet landing at a beautiful place. Look at this.
That's like 4 juvenile frigates in the row there.
And then once in a while, we get a nice surprise like this. There's a sea lion coming to visiting us this morning.
Watch out.
Oh! Hello? You want your picture taken? Okay.
Checking out each one.
If you are one of those looking for a nature adventure, it's insane.